Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about graph databases, Neo4j benefits of graph databases, key features of graph databases, best practices for working with graph databases, future trends in graph databases. Let's enjoy. Definition of graph databases, characteristics of graph databases, data represented as nodes, edges, and properties. Optimized for traversing relationships, use cases, social networks, recommendation engines, fraud detection. Introduction to Neo4j data model in Neo4j. Nodes, relationships, properties, features, native graph storage and processing, cipher query language, ACID compliance, high availability clustering, native representation of relationships, efficient traversal of complex networks, schema flexibility, support for ACID transactions, natural representation of connected data, high performance for relationship-heavy queries, flexible schema evolution, powerful graph algorithms and analytics, comparison of graph and relational data models, use cases where graph databases excel over relational databases, effective data modeling strategies for graph structures, optimizing queries and indexes, cluster configuration and optimization, monitoring and maintenance practices, advances in graph algorithms and analytics, integration with machine learning and AI technologies, predictions for the future evolution of graph databases. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.